from CBR. In our last video we talked about how to stand out in 2019, so now we're going to give you some bite-sized tips just to help you achieve that.
Invest the time to look for points of reference you have in the types of companies you want to go and work for. Do the research, speak to your network or through your network to look at things like culture, where the business is going, track record, and all the things that are important to you.
On average, people spend 5 to 7 seconds reading a CV, which leaves you very little time to actually stand out. So some of the items that are important to cover are, well, spelling mistakes and grammatical errors. That will put anyone that reads your CV off, unfortunately. A single typo will significantly increase your chances to land on the reject pile. In particular, if you describe yourself as somebody highly analytical with great attention to detail, credibility has been lost in that instance. So definitely something to watch out for.
Before taking any steps in your career change process, it's essential that you take some time to review and assess your profiles on LinkedIn. Make sure that your photo is a really true representation of you as a professional in your field, and think of it as how you present yourself in an interview. Make sure your profile is up to date, fill it with keywords, give a real insight into what you do in your role, your responsibilities and how you developed your career, not just give an overview of the company that you work for.